こんにちは、皆さん。Today's lesson is Japanese cooking. I'd like to introduce a very tasty but easy cooking. This is lesson 21. So, cooking in Japanese, 料理. Today's menu is 豚肉丼. 豚肉 means pork. 丼 is an abbreviation of 丼. 丼 is a kind of bowl, a kind of a container. I will show you what 丼 is later. First, we make tare. Tare is a Japanese traditional sauce. When we make yakitori, we use tare also. Okay, this is tare. So we are going to make tare from shoyu, is a soy sauce, 50 cc, and mirin 50 cc. So mirin is this. Mirin is made from rice. It's similar to sake, but no alcohol, and the mirin is much sweeter than sake. We use mirin instead of sugar. And then for topping, we use black pepper and negi. If you like, negi, spring onion, and goma. Goma is sesame, but today I use roast sesame. This is donburi. This container we call donburi. And these are chawan. Specifically, we call them gohan jawan. But just we say chawan. We eat rice with this chawan. Okay. So this chawan and this chawan, which do you think is more expensive? Okay, this chawan is colored with beautiful red, and inside you can see a rabbit and rabbit on the bottom. And this is a beautifully delicate design. So which do you think is more expensive? Okay, the answer is this chawan is more expensive. Why? Okay, one reason is this design is more complicated, and the another reason is, can you see the bottom? Okay, you can see 3 kanjis on the bottom. This kanji is a signature of a manufacturer, so it means made in Japan. But there is no kanji on this bottom, which means might be produced outside of Japan or might be produced big factories. Now let's get started to make tare. Okay, so today I'm going to use organic soy sauce, organic shoyu. Okay, so 50 cc. And And this is meaning, but if you can read kanji, this is a kanji of a book. Also, the on reading is hon. Hon means true. So hon meaning is a true meaning. Sometimes in the supermarket, without this kanji, just the meaning. So that is not true meaning. So if you can find this home meaning, it is better and it is more professional. And the same amount of meaning. Okay, so warm this mealing and soy sauce shoyu, and then up to it reduced to the half amount. So be careful, don't make big fire, because medium is easy to get to roasted. So just to wait several minutes. Okay, thick tare has been made, so and you can keep this tare in the refrigerator for a couple of months. Okay. Then we are going to grill pork. So wait for a couple of minutes. The pan is warm enough. Okay, the pan is warm enough. So put cooked rice in the donburi. So maybe you notice some other grains inside. I usually put some nutritious grains when I cook rice. Pork's ready, and then put some black pepper. and pour tare. And don't pour too much because tare is very salty. And roasted sesame. If you like, some spring onion. はい、できました。これが豚肉丼です。Thank you for watching today's lesson. ご視聴ありがとうございました。